We will be conducting a size reduction experiment and using ball mill, and we will analyze the size reduction ratio of given sample powder. Okay, so this comes under the course outcome 1, in which we will identify the use of various equipments, and we will be able to, after completion, you will be able to operate the equipment individually. Okay, in course outcome 2, next it comes under course outcome 2, we can analyze the data. We will be weighing powder sample and we will analyze the data we are obtaining from this sample powder. Okay, so we will be completing course outcome 1 and 2 after the experiment, and it's coming under Bloom's level K1, K2, K3. In K1, we will understand about the basic principle and working under the operation of ball mill. In K3, we will apply the knowledge we are studied in size reduction will be applied in the working of ball mill, and in K4, we will be analyzing the data will be analyzed to find out the size reduction ratio. Okay, so in this experiment, first we will go to the theory part of the experiment. So size reduction, in which what is the definition?
Unit operation in which large unit masses break down into smaller unit masses.
Okay, then we are using size reduction in the industrial purpose for, what is the industrial application of size reduction?
For size reduction of
Particle. In order in the manufacturing of drugs, we will be reducing from crude drugs to the powder sample. We have to size reduce the crude drugs into the powder sample. Okay, so it's the ball mill. This is a laboratory scale ball mill, and industrial ball mill are also available. Okay, then what is the mechanism? We studied about the mechanism involved in the size reduction. Okay, what are the mechanisms in size reduction? Impact attrition, then impact attrition, centrifugal force. Okay, these are common modes of size reduction. Okay, so in ball mill, the mechanism involved is impact and attrition. Okay, so impact we know it is the high velocity collision, and attrition is the rubbing action between two surfaces. Okay, surface will be rubbed and thus size reduction is achieved. Okay, so in ball mill, the impact and attrition happens based on the speed of rotation of ball mill. Okay, so 3 speed of ball mill can be considered. First, at a low speed. In the working of ball mill, the mechanism impact. So at a low speed, what happens? Balls and powder material will roll over each other and the attrition occurs. Okay, at a correct speed, what happens?
due to centrifugal force, it comes to the top.
It comes to the top, then comes to the bottom, thus impact and both attrition occurs. Okay, at high speed, what happens? The balls will be carried or by centrifugal force, it will be carried around the ball mill or the cylinder. Okay, thus size reduction is not obtained. Okay, that is this based on the size reduction based on speed of rotation of ball mill. Okay, so in procedure, first we already said that we have to conduct the size reduction of powder sample. Okay, so how we will analyze how the size reduction is achieved or not after using ball mill?
Size analysis by sieve shaker.
Okay, we will be analyzing the size of the powder sample by sieve analysis. Okay, using sieve shaker equipment. Okay, sieve shaker equipment has been done in the previous lab. We have already conducted the sieve analysis experiment, and we get a calculated arithmetic mean diameter, surface mean diameter, and volume diameter of the given powder sample. Okay, so first we have to take the powder sample and it should be undergone sieve analysis. Then we can calculate the arithmetic mean diameter of powder sample before milling. Okay, so we should know the arithmetic mean diameter of sample before milling. Then after we will introduce the sample into ball mill. Okay, then ball mill be operated for 30 minutes. Then after operation, we will take out the sample again, and again it will undergo sieve analysis. Okay, then arithmetic mean diameter after the milling will be calculated. Okay, so first we know ball mills, it's a cylinder, like it's a cylinder made up of metals. It will have a hollow space inside. What are the balls made up of?
Steel or stone.
Mainly we are preferring stainless steel balls so that tear and wear is less. Okay, during rotation, balls and mill surface will be undergoing attrition. So to reduce the tear and wear of the mill, we will be preferring stainless steel balls. Okay, so a fixed number of balls will be introduced into, you can see the inside of machine, it's a hollow space inside. So first we have to introduce the stainless steel balls. Okay, definite number of stainless steel balls are here. We will be introducing the balls into the cylinder. Okay, next what we will do? We add the sample which is previously undergone sieve analysis. Okay, then we will add the sample into the cylinder, then we will close the lid. Okay. Okay. So the lid should be tightly closed. Next we will switch on and switch on the mains on the equipment. Then what happens? Okay, the ball mill will rotate. Okay, the ball mill will be rotated at a definite speed. Then we will operate it for 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes we will stop the motor. Then again remove the lid and take out the samples. Only there will be balls and samples. You have to collect all the sample and balls into the powder tray. Okay, into a tray. Then remove the balls and take out the sample powder, and again it should undergo sieve analysis. Okay, so from first data, that is sieve analysis before milling, you get an arithmetic diameter that you can denote as D1. Okay, then after milling you have a, after sieve analysis you will get another arithmetic diameter that can be calculated as D2. Okay, then what is the equation for size reduction ratio? Size of feed divided by size of product, that is D1 by D2. Okay, so size reduction ratio, we can from the size reduction ratio we can know the efficiency of the mill, how efficiently the size reduction occur using this ball mill. Okay, so you understand about the operating of equipment. You can self operate the equipment. Okay, you know the data obtained from the ball mill and how you can analyze the data. Okay, so you can now do it individually. Okay, വിട്ടോ രണ്ടരയായി. താങ്ക്സ് ഏട്ടാ. ഇതാ പോകുന്നില്ല, സാറില്ല, 8 മിനിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിനാ. അതന്നെ പറയുന്നേ, ഇത് വീഡിയോ അല്ല നമ്മളെ പ്രസ് ബട്ടൺ വരുക, അതല്ല ഞാൻ വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇതത് എന്നാ വേണ്ട പിന്നെ? ഓ എൻ്റെ ഭഗവാൻ, സേവ് ആവില്ലെന്ന് പഠിച്ചിട്ടാണ് ഞാൻ വേറെ ഒന്നും ഞെക്കാത്തത്. എന്തെന്നാന്നല്ലേ, നെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ആക്കിയാൽ ഇപ്പം ഡാറ്റ പ്രോസസ്സ് ചെയ്യുന്ന പോയാലോ? അമ്മൂപ്പ ഇതൊക്കെ നോക്കട്ടെ. ഒന്നും വരുന്നില്ല അല്ലേ? ഇതിപ്പം ബാക്ക് അടിക്കേണ്ടി വരുമല്ലോ. എന്തോ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, നോക്കാം. ഇത് ഞാൻ അയച്ചിട്ടില്ല. സ്വിച്ച് ഓഫ് നോക്കാം. ഈശ്വര കിട്ടിയാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു. എന്തോ കറങ്ങുന്നുണ്ട് ഇവിടെ. എക്സ്ട്രാ വെക്കാറിഞ്ഞിനി പിള്ളേർക്ക് വില്ലിങ് ആണെങ്കിൽ എക്സ്ട്രാ വെച്ചു. പിള്ളേർ ഇപ്പൊ വില്ലിങ് ഒന്നും ആയിരിക്കൂല, നോമ്പല്ലേ. നോമ്പായതുകൊണ്ട് റിസ്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞ അവര് വേറെ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഇല്ല, കാരണം ഞാൻ പോന്നോണ്ട്.